Hello everyone, my name is Mario and this tutorial I'm going to show you how to duplicate your slides using Google Slides. Let's jump right into it. Alright, well duplicating slides is very simple. This is lesson 4 out of all these modules that we have completed. For lesson 1 we completed selecting a theme. For lesson 2 we completed inserting slides and skipping slides. And lesson 3, we did change your background and your slides. And today we're doing duplicating slides. So duplicating slides is pretty simple. All you have to do, if you have a PC, you're gonna use Control D. And if you have a Mac, like I do, you're gonna use Command D. Those are the shortcuts, but you can also go right here into the you can also go right here where it says slides, and then you can duplicate slides right there. So I wanted to show you like how I did this Google Slides here. What it did is actually duplicate the slides to change from one thing to another. So like if you look at slide number 5, you see this. I put Control D for PC users, or what I did here, I did in my case I did Command D, and I duplicated this slice right there. See how it came up? Now when I duplicate it, look what happens, right? So I'll go to the next one, and it seems like I actually I'm doing like an animation, but really I'm not. What I did is duplicating slice. So if you look right here, right, so you see this, and then I click there, and you notice how from there to there it adds this, right? This stays fixed, and I only added this. So that gives a really good transition, and it's a easier way for you to, instead of adding animations on each of the slides, you can just make a new one, so you're creating a duplicate. All right, well, that is it for this tutorial. Hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to follow the whole sequence from lesson 1 all the way to lesson 7, and then after that we're going to do our next module to keep mastering Google Slides. All right, well, this is Mario. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.